Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint PPT format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and select Convert option this menu bar, and here you will find the PPT option. Click here and click on this down arrow and select here PPT option and setting, and you can change, you can convert a specific page range or all page. You can OCR all files or only scan PDF or set on scan PDF. Also you can disable OCR recognition and select OK. And output folders, you can select a specific folder with same location, or you can save it same folder as source folder. Select OK, and file now converted, and open folder and say this. This is my PPT format PowerPoint. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.